Next type of asexual reproduction plant is budding. Okay, in budding, nothing happens to the parent. They remain the same. Okay, so the new individual just outgrows from the parent plant. Okay, can you see here? This is a parent. Okay, and can you see a small growth is happening over here? This is nothing but the bud. Okay. Okay, and the bud gets bigger and it also gets tentacles like the parent plant. Okay, after some days what happens, the bud gets detached from the parent plant and it just goes and gives rise to a new plant. Okay, same thing happens with the yeast. Can you see inside the cell? Okay, there is a bud forming over here. That is nothing but the daughter nuclei. Okay, and the daughter nuclei just gets detached from the parent nuclei yeast. Okay, and the one which you the babies, you what you call it as daughters. Okay, the new plant that forms by the process of asexual reproduction from the parent plant, you call it as daughter cells or daughter plants or daughter yeast or daughter hydra. Okay, so next type is fragmentation. Fragmentation means fragment means pieces. Sorry, fragment means pieces. Okay, so parent organisms break into multiple pieces on maturity, each of which gives rise to a new plant. So this is a Spirogyra is nothing but a algae. Okay, and they have a setae in between. Okay, setae means segments. Okay, setae, this space is what you call as setae, and the setae portion, it breaks down, it just fragments into pieces. Okay, and once it breaks down, it just grows into a new organism. Okay, same way with the planaria. Okay, planaria just gets divided into pieces and then each piece gives rise to a new planaria. Okay, new organism. Next is spore formation. Okay, spore formation is nothing but formation of new individual by the germination of spores. Okay, so the spores will be there inside this. Okay, once germination takes place, what happens, it bursts out and the spores comes out. Okay, very good example is, you can see your fungus. Okay, and that too in this condition during the rainy season, you could easily see wherever there is a damp place or moist place, you could see the fungal growth in your, especially in your vegetables, and here it is a tomato where the fungus is being grown. Okay, so you could see in the bread mold. Okay, so spores are the unicellular bodies. Okay, uni means one cell body in the parent that are capable of growing into a many new individuals. So once the spores breaks down, it just comes out and it just goes flies, and wherever the situation permits for it to grow over there, it just gets attached to some particular place and it grows over there. Okay, so very good example is your rhizopus. Okay, this is rhizopus. Again, it's a fungi. Okay, they have spores during favorable conditions and they just come out and they multiply and they grow. Okay.